To show physical keyboard shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Next, tap physical keyboard, and then select keyboard shortcuts. So explanations of the keyboard shortcuts on the screen. And then we can see keyboard shortcut is here. CMGK is contain the Windows keys, command key, and search key. You can see in here system or app shortcut. Well, system shortcut and app shortcut. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.